Hi, Julie here from RV Tips and Bits. We're going to show you here today where to plug into to make sure you get Apple CarPlay and you can activate that on your iPhone and on your Mercedes here. There are 3 slots and there are micro USB slots up here on your dash. Open up that compartment. You must be on the left hand side. So the box all by itself there with it's got like a little picture of an iPhone and a mirror, that's the one you have to be plugged into to your iPhone, and then you'll be able to see everything on your iPhone on your display screen on the Mercedes. You also need to pick up these little adapters, so they're micro USB on one side and then regular USB on the other. So you'll just plug those into those slots and then you can plug your iPhone cords into your iPhone. So good to go. We have lots of tips like this on our channel for little things that you're looking for with the Mercedes. Be sure to subscribe. There's a link below for these adapters. You can order. They're not too expensive. You can order them in a pair. All right, take it easy. Happy camping.